did an impact on an extraterrestrial body on Earth. And some people believe that such impacts have influence on the cause of evolution of life on Earth. It's believed that the damage of the dinosaur may be caused by one such impact, and this will be the topic of my presentation. Okay, this is my outline. First, we talk about mass extinctions. Then we talk about fossils and the fossil record. And then we talk about using the fossil record to interpret mass extinction. And then we talk about the impact theory and evidence for it. And we talk about other complexity theories as well. And then we talk about my conclusion. Okay, so dinosaurs are one of the most famous group of prehistoric animals ever known to man. And they live from the late Jurassic to the late Cretaceous. And the main descendant is birds. So actually speaking, dinosaurs are birds. So dinosaurs in my oral presentation refers to non-avian dinosaurs. Dinosaur extinction has always been a mystery, and over 80 theories have been devised. There are both sensible and nonsensical theories for dinosaur extinction. I believe that dinosaurs and other animals died suddenly through primarily impact by an extraterrestrial body. What's the value of find out what this dinosaur extinction is? That it allows us to look at the biological impact of an asteroid hitting Earth. In face of current ecological crisis, we can figure out how long we recover from a biological crisis. Extinction is defined as when the last member of a species disappears. A mass extinction is when a high number of species go extinct within a short period of time. The bigger the extinction, the more infrequent it is. And there are 5 major extinction events in history alive: the late Ordovician, the late Devonian, the late Permian, the late Jurassic, and the late Cretaceous, which is the subject of my presentation today. Fossils are the preserved remains of organisms from the past, from 10,000 years ago. And there are 2 types of fossils: body, which means the remains of the animal's body, and the trace, which is a record on organisms' activities. Fossils are useful for reconstructing the history of life on Earth and studying how organisms are related to each other. And from a fossil, you can deduce the appearance and the lifestyle of organisms. And so, in this case, these 2 are body fossils that remains of the organism itself. And these 2 are trace fossils. In this case, both are some footprints that are record on organisms' activities and walk across the sediment year. Fossilization. How do we make a fossil? First, the soft tissue has to decompose, then the hard parts are transported to some final resting place, and then these hard parts have to be buried and mineralized. And the 4th step is erosion, so that the fossil is revealed as well. And non-organisms have an equal likelihood of getting fossilized. For example, mountains and forests are very poor habitats for fossils to form. Aquatic organisms have a high likelihood of fossilizing than terrestrial organisms because rapid deposition happens more quickly and easier in water than on land. And hard-bodied animals are more likely to get fossilized than a soft-bodied animals. But sometimes you can get lucky and find something like this. In this case, a soft-bodied octopus. Of course, you don't find these sort of fossils very often. We now go on to how the fossil record can be split. The first issue is not all time is preserved, and because deposition does not occur everywhere and every time. As there will be some place, and in some time does not get preserved in the fossil record. But there's no deposition, there will be no fossil record. Now, case of the KK extinction is only one great